how to turn on or turn off text call, play other person's voice on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the menu button at the top. And from the pop-up, tap on settings. Next, in call settings, we go down and tap on text call. In here, we scroll down, then tap on play other person's voice. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here it says that hear what the other person says during a text call in addition to showing it on the screen. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.